Nowadays, it is important to keep public places hygienic and disinfected. Some of the places where you run the greatest risk of getting sick or catching a virus are the restaurants. There, if the menu is physical, the risk of contagion increases considerably. To reduce this important risk, there is a useful practice that allows diners or clients to check the menu or its price list from their cell phones only by scanning a QR code. To do this, go to canva.com, create an account and log in. Then go to create a design and then menu and find a variety of templates with respective menu cards, so you can find other categories after setting the name, items and prices given in download PDF. Once downloaded, go to your account drive and upload the PDF you just downloaded. Then open the PDF from Drive and click Share, copy the link. Once you have copied the link, go back to Canva, create a design again, but this time leave it in the bank. Go to the bottom left and click on the 3 points. In this section of App and Integrations, click on QR Code. Paste the link you copied before and then click on Generate Code. Then you can locate it in the whole document and download it to print it. From your cell phone, you can try to scan the code and you will see that it will automatically take you the PDF document to display the menu without the need to touch physical primers. This is an excellent way to face the new reality of restaurants, bars, and even movie theaters and entertainment venues.